So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anthony G. Tolosa. So for this day we will do the all activity in chapter 3. But before that we need to read the introduction of the chapter 3, which is the network protocols and communication. So more and more it is network that connect us. People communicate online from everywhere. Conversation in classroom spill into instant message chat session, and online debates continue at school. New services are being developed daily to take advantage of the network. Rather than developing unique and separate systems for the delivery of each new service, the network industry as a whole has adopted a development framework that allows designers to understand current network platforms and maintain them. At the same time, this framework is used to facilitate the development of new technology to support future communication need and technology enhancement. Central to this development frame is the use of generally accepted model that describe network rules and function. Within this chapter, you will learn about these models as well as the standard that make network work and how communication occur over a network. So we are done to read the introduction. So we go to the activity in chapter 3. So we need to find it. Okay. Okay. Activity. Okay, like this. So the name of the activity is the protocol and layers. So the instruction is drag the protocol or standard to the TCP IP layer name as described. So we need to drag it to application, transport, internet, and network access. So like this, the internet. So the ethernet, so we go to drag it to network. Okay, we need to check it if this is correct or wrong. So okay, it's correct. Then the SMTP, so we go here in application. So we need to check here if this is wrong or correct. Okay, so it is correct. Then the IP, then type here IP. So we need to check it. Okay, it is correct. Then the POP or the POP rather. Then it is in application. We need to check it here. Okay. Then the TCP. So in transport, to check it here. Okay, this is correct. Then the internet drivers, so I think it is in network access. Okay, we need to check it. Okay, this is correct. Then the OSPF, so I think it is in internet. So we need to check it. Okay, then check it. Then the IMAP, so I think is application. We need to check it. Okay, so it is correct. Then the DHCP. So it is, I think it is application. Now check it. It is correct. Then the DNS, I think application 2. Okay, then the HTTP, also application. Check. Okay, then the UDP. So it is correct. Then the ICMP. I think it is internet. Okay, it's correct. Then the FTP, it is internet application rather. Okay, it is correct. Then the BOOTP, it's application. So it is correct. Then the EIGRP, so I think it is in the last one, the internet, and it is correct. Okay, so we are done in this activity. We go to another activity in this chapter. Okay, this. So the next activity is entitled the OSI layer function. So the instruction of this activity is drag the OSI layer to its functional description. So number 1, segment, transfer, and reassemble data. So I think it is transport. Okay, it's correct. Then number 2, exchange frame between devices. So it is physical. I think it is physical. How to drag it? Physical. Okay. Oh. Wait, I'm sorry. Wait. Oh, I will change it. Sorry. So what is the wait. Exchange frame between devices. So sorry, it's data link. Oh my god. Data link. Okay. Then contains protocol used for a process to process communication. Then I think it's application. The answer is application here. Okay. Then number 4 provides a data path or route. I think the answer is network. Check. Then the last is bit. transmission, then the answer is physical. Okay, so we are done in this activity. So we go to another activity. Okay, find another activity here. Activity here. This. So the next activity is entitled Illustrate the Encapsulation Process. So the instruction of this activity is drag the video to the appropriate place in the stack to illustrate the order of the encapsulation process. So we need to drag the video in this place. So email data. So I think it is data here. Check. Then the data and the transport data. Transport data. I think this segment. Okay. Then the another is the network header, transport header, and the data. I think this is the packet. Here, packet. Check. So it is correct. Then the frame header, network header, transport header, data, and the frame trailer. So the answer will be the frame here. Then next is the binary here, so I think the answer will be bits. Okay, we need to check it if it's correct. Okay, it is correct. Then find another activity. So this is the last activity of the chapter 3. So we go to the conclusion of the chapter 3. So chapter 3, network protocols and communication. Data network are system of end devices, intermediary devices, and the media connecting them. For communication to occur, this device must know how to communicate. This device must comply with communication rules and protocols. TCP/IP is an example of a protocol suite. Most protocols are created by a standard organization such as the IETP or IEEE. The Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineering is a professional organization for those in the electrical engineering and electronic field. IOS, the International Organization for Standardization, is the world's largest development of international standard for a wide variety of products and services. The most widely used networking models are the OSI and TCP/IP models, associating the protocols that set the rules of data communication with the different layers of these models is useful in determining which devices and services are applied and at a specific point as data passes across the LANs and WANs. Data that passes down the stack of the OSI model is segmented into pieces and encapsulated with addresses and other labels. The process is reversed as the pieces are decapsulated and pass up destination protocol stack. The OSI model describes the processes of encoding, formatting, segmenting, and encapsulating data for transmitting over the network. The TCP/IP protocol suite is an open standard protocol that has been endorsed by the networking industry and ratified or approved by a standard organization. The Internet Protocol suite is a suite of protocol required for transmitting and receiving information using the Internet. Protocol data units, or the PDUs, are named according to the protocol of the TCP or IP suite, data segment, packet, frames, and bits. So applying models allow individuals, companies, and trade associations to analyze current network and plan the network of the future. So that's all for the chapter 3, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.